If I'm doing 1,000 k an hour, I should be there in an hour and 20 minutes. What's going on here? Let's get the shit out of here. Getting warned by this guy. There must be an oversized load on his way down the road. Let's check this out. Oversized load, police. Wow, that's how you move shit. Look at this thing. Dead set. Yeah. That's oversized. Big enough load for you? About 70 k's. Thereabouts into Dubbo to go. Let's go and get some fuel. So we're starting to lose light now, and it's starting to get chilly. Room booked. This one was even cheaper. Paid 120 bucks last night. This one was $89. This one comes with 2 butlers, this room. So, I'm staying at the Green Gables Motor Inn in Dubbo tonight. Already the guy was so much friendlier, run by a beautiful Indian family. Nice guy, so shout out to you, buddy, if you're going to watch this video. But let's go and check out this room. That's great, that's all you need. That's it. 89 bucks. Good morning. Well, I had a good sleep last night. I feel much better than I did the morning before. I think today's pretty nice. Let's go outside and check it out. Ooh. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Shut up, birds. I just wanted to say how awesome these Harley boots are. I've had these for probably about 2 years. Plenty of buggies come to rest. They are so good, so comfortable. You know, I've been in these for seriously like 10, 12-hour days. And you don't feel the need to get them off at the end of the day. They're just so beautiful. They're well protected, they're so sturdy. You know, the good sole, they're really good boots. Look at that headlight. Time to hit the road, just leaving the Green Gables motel. Thank you guys for a nice bit of accommodation for the night. Now I just want to go and get a coffee. Oh, this looks alright, PK's Bakery. I've really enjoyed the time to myself. You know, everyone needs some time alone to be able to just regroup your thoughts, be appreciative of everything in your life, self-reflect, self-analyse, relax, not be needed. I think everybody needs that time alone, and I think that's definitely what motorcycle riding does for me. It's the first big solo ride I've done, and I have enjoyed it. It has been really, really good. You do get a little bit lonely at times. You know, I go for a ride with Jace, who's been in a few of my videos. Yeah. See if I can get this train. This could be some pretty cool footage. I just chased a freight train with my drone. Geez, that'd be a boring trip as a freight train driver. Guess you'd have to love the scenery. Just pulled up at some road work in a little town called Gulma. Have a look at the pub. That's so cool. Couple of couches on the front porch. Gotta love Australia. How awesome's that? So I'm actually going to stay here in Mudgee tonight. I've just had some breakfast / lunch. I had a yummy eggs Benedict and a coffee, which was good because I want to get into starting making this vlog. I've got something like 200 clips that I'm working on now, and that I've got to start processing. So I thought I might just take a relaxing afternoon and do that today. Now I'm going to see if I can get into a motel. Final day of this vlog. So a bit of happy sad. So happy to be getting home. But really enjoyed the time away. Anyway, it looks like I'm going to get pounded, I think. Hightail it and hopefully beat this rain. So stay tuned. Fucking peak hour here in Mudgee. Woo! There's the first raindrop. Actually, I was just thinking the only saving grace, because I've ridden many times in the pouring rain with an open face helmet, and it ain't fun. Apart from sort of sitting at 110, 120 and the raindrops hitting your face, it's a real nice sting. But this helmet is a convertible helmet, so I've got actually the jaw frame and I can pull the lens down, so I just remembered that, so that's one saving grace. As far as wet weather gear, no, I don't have any, so that was pretty smart planning on my behalf. Now I wish this fuck were to get out of my way. It's Windermere Dam. I just thought I'd pull over. I've just got to capture this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the roadway. So scenic. Very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Just saw this the massive stacks from the energy plant, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, so let's check this out. Shit road surface. Oh, it's fresh. Jesus, it's getting cold as I'm coming towards the mountains. Woo! There's that ice. Nice, hot. Comes the rain, I can feel spits. Stay off, stay off. I'm going to show you how awesome this helmet is and how easy it is to actually gear it up. I'm actually going to try and do this without even getting off the bike. Let's see how this works out. There we go. Open face to full face, just like that. And it's a pretty cool looking full face too, yeah? And it saves you guys having to look at my ugly mug. I'm just going to kit this up for this last ride home. Because it's starting to rain and I think we may get smashed. So I'm going to show you how these bag covers work and we'll get settled up. So. There you go. And your bags are completely waterproof. Perfect time to come back into Sydney. Well done. Fucking timed it perfectly. Ever wondered why you were stressed? Well, the Wild Wild West journey has come to an end. I'm 5 minutes from home, and sorry to talk to you through the screen, but it's fucking raining, so I actually timed it pretty well. But thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to close this. There's another ride coming up, so stay tuned. I had a call today from Jason that I did the BMW series with, and I'm thinking we might mix it up. I'll do a Harley, he'll do a BMW on this next one, and destination at this point unknown, but we're going to work that out. Thanks so much for staying tuned and watching, and all your comments. I really appreciate the support, but I'm having lots of fun with it, and I can't do it without you guys. I mean, you guys, chat soon.